you a little bit about what are healthy things that you guys can do to protect your thyroid. Does that sound good?
Yes.
Good. Avoid the thyroid stressors. So avoid eating the foods like sugars, artificial sweeteners, soy, and grains. So you start slowly avoiding those. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame, Equal, Sweet and Low, Splenda, all of those, please stay away from those. Those are literally poison. And some of those are neurotoxins. So what neurotoxins mean, it literally goes to their nerves and it kills it. It starts not, it destroys lining of the nerve. So you don't want that. Soy is actually a pseudo hormone, which means it's a fake hormone. Okay? So like a fake estrogen. So when you eat soy, you're actually ingesting a little bit of, like, your body can confuse it with estrogen. So all of a sudden you have women having other issues. You have boys having like female characteristics or breast tenderness, things like that. So that's why it's very dangerous, like the soy milk, soy cheese. Soy.
Even the non-GMO and organic?
Even, yeah, it's soy. It's soy, it's pseudo hormone. It's a fake hormone. Install filters in your faucets and shower heads to filter out the chlorine and other stuff that they put in our water. Because sadly, it's not just the chlorine, but now our city water has other stuff in there too. Use the BPA-free water bottles or the glass bottles. Especially here in Florida, you have a water bottle and you're drinking your water bottle, you go drive, you leave your water bottle in the car to go into the store. You come out and then you continue. Well, here in Florida, it only takes 5 minutes to get the car like an oven, okay? So what happens is those plastics start leaking into the water, and now you're drinking those plastics. And it's actually very, very poisonous for not just your whole body, but also your thyroid. So it's a good idea to get the water bottles that are, like, I have mine here. This one is glass, okay? Avoid heating plastics or microwaves. Avoid consuming GMO products like corn, soy, wheat, rice. To spend a little bit more time talking about sugars, okay? Because sugar is pretty much on almost everything in our food, sadly. So I wanted to explain something to you guys. Now, right now we're talking about stress, right? That's what we're talking about. So stress causes nutritional deficiencies. Because when you're stressed, then now your body has to start getting some nutrients from other places in order for your body to function. Okay? That nutritional deficiency gives you organ dysfunction. So now there's an area of your body that is not functioning 100%. So in this example that we're saying today, the thyroid. So now your thyroid is not functioning well. When your thyroid is not functioning well, now that creates more what? Stress. Which then causes what? More nutritional deficiencies, which causes what? More organ dysfunction. And now we are in that little loop and spiral that is just never ending, okay? So now I want you guys to imagine, I need you guys to all use your imagination, and imagine that this word here, instead of saying stress, it says sugar. Okay, can you guys do that? You have it, it says sugar now. So sugar causes nutritional deficiencies. It actually takes a lot of minerals for the body to process 1 gram of sugar, which then creates organ dysfunction. And then that organ dysfunction, what do you crave almost all the time? Most people crave sugar, chocolate, things like that, okay? And then that's, again, the same circle, okay? Sugar can cause arthritis because sugar causes inflammation. Sugar feeds cancer. You know, fibromyalgia is literally inflammation of the fibers of the muscles. It could cause cysts. It could cause different things. It causes hyperactivity, not just in kids, but also in adults. So anything that is caused by inflammation, if you're eating sugar, you're actually making it worse. You're feeding that inflammation. And lastly, nutrition response testing can identify the stressor that is actually affecting your thyroid.